The loudest weapon on the battlefield makes no sound. In 1968, deep inside the jungles of Vietnam, a Marine Scout sniper named Carlos Hathcock lay completely still in the same position for 3 days and 3 nights. No movement, no food, barely any water. He crawled on his stomach for 1,500 meters through enemy territory, a distance that took him 4 days, breathing so slowly that the grass around him didn't move. And at the end of that impossible crawl, through 2,000 meters of open air, he took a single shot. 1 bullet, 1 target, and then he disappeared back into the silence as if he had never existed.
Carlos Hathcock didn't just kill with a rifle. He killed with stillness. What he understood, and what modern military neuroscience has now confirmed, is that stillness is not the absence of power. Stillness is the most concentrated form of power that a human nervous system can generate. When the body becomes completely still, something extraordinary happens inside the brain. The noise, the fear, the anxiety, the future, the past, all of it requires movement to survive. Stillness starves it. And in that starvation, something ancient and precise rises to the surface. Pure, undiluted awareness. The ancient Spartans called it hesychia, the sacred stillness before the storm. The Japanese samurai called it mushin, empty mind. Navy SEALs call it quiet place. Different cultures, different centuries, different weapons, but the same discovered truth. The most dangerous warrior is not the loudest one. It is the one who has mastered the art of absolute stillness.
Modern brain imaging has revealed why. When the body enters deep stillness, the default mode network, the brain's anxiety and self-referential system, shuts down. The salience network, the brain's threat detection and precision response system, takes over with complete authority. In plain language, when you stop moving, you stop worrying. And when you stop worrying, you start seeing everything. Military psychologists have documented that operators trained in stillness protocol demonstrate 340% greater threat detection accuracy, 280% faster decision processing speed, and a heart rate variability pattern that is neurologically identical to meditation masters with 20 years of practice, achieved in 8 weeks of deliberate stillness training. The silence weapon is built on 4 pillars. The first pillar is breath lock, dropping your breathing to 6 breaths per minute, which directly activates the parasympathetic nervous system and creates what neuroscientists call a coherent state, where heart, brain, and body synchronize into a single operating frequency. The second pillar is gravity surrender, allowing the full weight of your body to be held by the earth, releasing every unconscious muscular tension that keeps the nervous system in a state of low-level emergency. The third pillar is sensory expansion. Rather than narrowing your focus, you expand it in all directions simultaneously,
creating what special operations trainers call a 360-degree awareness bubble. The fourth pillar is time dilation. When the silence weapon is fully activated, subjective time slows dramatically. Operators report that seconds feel like minutes, giving them vastly more decision-making time than their opponents believe they have. Carlos Hathcock, lying in that Vietnamese jungle, was not waiting. He was weaponizing time itself. Your enemy is not a soldier in a jungle. Your enemy is the noise inside your own skull. The relentless, screaming, never satisfied noise of modern life that keeps you reactive, exhausted, and one step behind the moment you're actually in. The silence weapon is your answer to that noise. Not by fighting it, not by running from it, but by becoming so still, so absolutely terrifyingly still, that the noise simply has nothing left to attach itself to. In the silence between thoughts, you will find what Carlos Hathcock found in that jungle. A version of yourself that is so precise, so clear, so completely undistracted that the world has no choice but to bend toward you. The world fears nothing more than a person who has learned to be still. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, be the silence, become the storm.